What's up, Moto fans?
Hey, this is Andrew.
That up. That's all right.
I was like, this is Michael.
Yeah. What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines.
And this is Andrew.
And we are back at NCBike for day 2 out of the weekend. It is Sunday. The weather is perfect. There's not a lot of people here. A lot of people bailed yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. So I think it's going to be a really open track today. Should be a good time. I found a lot of good pace yesterday, but I'm on a different bike today. I'm going to be riding my personal bike, which is a Pt2. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see if my pace stays, maybe goes up, or if it goes down because I'm too worried about the bike. So we'll see. But
yeah, I'm looking forward to a good day. Fewer people here will make the sessions a bit cleaner. I'll get some more clean laps in, hopefully. Plus, I do know the track now, finally, after the first day, so I'm coming back next day. It's completely fresh in my mind still, which is great. It's the first time I've done back-to-back days, so that should be good. I should hopefully find some pace and figure out the lines, like, completely today, and I don't know if I'll get a bump or anything. It's kind of hard to even talk to a coach sometimes, but I don't know if I even deserve it, but they are pretty slow out there, but I guess we'll see about later. But overall, I'm enjoying the track a lot. It's really fun. There's a lot of grip, and it was pretty easy to learn. But yeah, hopefully it'll be a cleaner day, and I'll pick up the pace and get more comfortable on the bike. Yeah.
NCBike is it's a pretty easy track to learn. I say that, yet this is like my 5th day here, and I'm finally feel like it's connecting. It's a lot of trail braking in most of the turns, and it's a very much point and shoot track. Get the bike stopped, quickly change direction, wide open throttle. So the track's really fun. There's a lot of grip, so you can really feel the difference between when your tire is starting to slide versus when you actually have the grip. It's kind of crazy, but
it's fun to overtake too. Yeah, really fun to overtake because it's pretty wide in the corners and they're all sweepers. So if you got that extra speed, just take them on the outside. So yeah, it's kind of a different style of track than overtaking in all braking zones or something like that.
Yeah, definitely. But we will check in later. We're going to get suited up. We've already gone through tech and the riders meeting and stuff. So yeah, we're going to get suited up and we'll check in later.
Michael's about to go out for the first session, so he's getting ready, stretching. Sprocket's bothering him, but he's too cute, it doesn't matter.
Alright, so it is currently nearing the end of, well, lunch is over. E3's out, the advanced group is out. Yeah, we're going to go up soon, but we figured we'd check in and tell you how the day is going. I haven't ridden my personal bike on track before, at least not for more than like 4 laps. It's going really good. I have lost the pace I found with the Daytona, but I think that's partially just because I'm afraid of crashing my personal bike, whereas, versus the Daytona is a ratty track bike that already has been crashed I don't know how many times. So
the tires, and you haven't ridden it much, so
yeah. I mean, the tires are one thing, but we're currently doing a video on that, which you can watch by clicking the card in the upper right hand side of the screen. That's a whole other thing. I mean, the tires are perfectly fine for, 5 to 7 laps, depending on how aggressive I am with the throttle. They're completely fine, and I'm the problem. So I just kind of need to nut up or shut up and get to it a little bit. But Andrew has something to say.
Yeah, so today is overall going way better. Went out for one E1 novice session, and one of the coaches came over to me and was like, you need to bump up out of here. So got bumped after the first session into E2 or intermediate, and it's been way better. I get just smooth laps in. I've been able to improve even more just because I don't have to deal with checking up on my speed and worrying about other slower riders out there. So it's been really good so far, actually. Really good.
Yeah, he's looking pretty good out there. I'm gonna work with him a little bit. There's some things he needs to fix, mainly body position, but also there's some lines that need to be adjusted slightly.
Show me some lines.
Yeah, I will. I'll show you.
That's the thing is, in novice, it's fine and everything, but there's no one out there that you can follow the lines, because the coaches are, watching these other people going slower. They're like pacing them around the track and stuff, so there's no one to follow, and no one in there has the right lines. So I'm definitely going to improve a lot in intermediate.
I mean, that's that. In regards to that, though, nobody to follow. That's just this weekend. There isn't a whole lot of coaches out here this weekend, and sometimes that happens. But the coaches in novice will absolutely work with you, and they're there to show you the lines and answer any questions. So, I mean, it's just this weekend that they're low on coaches. That's it. If it was any other weekend, you wouldn't have had a problem. So.
Right. Yeah, shout out to the coach that noticed. Like, he's actually looking out there, which is great, because I shouldn't have been in that session anymore. It was or that group. It's sketchy because I always have to navigate through people. So yeah, but it's gonna be a good afternoon.
Yep, it's gonna be a very good afternoon. I'm gonna try to turn it up a notch on the 210 and see how it goes. We'll find out. And we'll check back in probably towards the end of the day. Maybe once more, maybe not. We'll find out. We're not going to do the last session. We're going to pack up and leave so we can get a head start on the road. But we'll check back in a minute. All right, we just finished up our second to last session. Well, we didn't go out the very last session because we wanted to pack up and kind of chill out. Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh, yeah. Sick. Coors Light.
We're not sponsored.
Yeah.
Post-track day beer, always a great way to end the day. So cheers to a absolutely fantastic day. I was kind of down in the dumps for most of the day, and went out last session. I came in through second to last session, threw my gloves on the floor, swearing, put the bike away, took my suit off, and Andrew convinced me to get back out there and just have fun, and that's exactly what I did. I had a very, very nice battle with another guy. I would pass him on the brakes, he'd pass me on the outside, I'd pass him on the saying hi to somebody right there. But anyways, it was a ton of fun. It was the most fun I've had all weekend.
Yeah, and you'll get footage of that too, because I was right behind them chasing, and it was fun. It was a good last session.
Yeah, it was a very good last session. I did almost crash, but I saved it, so that's all that matters. And you'll get footage of that as well.
Yeah, I'll drink to that.
Yeah, right. But ended the day strongly on a very good note. That was absolutely insanely fun, and you really honestly couldn't have asked for a better day. At the end of the day, if you're having a bad day, just remember why you're doing this, and you're doing this because it's fun, and that's what matters. So
yeah, for sure, it was a sweet day. The move up to intermediate changed everything. It was fun. We were playing around with Michael and his buddy on track. It was awesome. I definitely improved a lot, and this track's amazing. Actually, it was really good. Oh, and I will mention doing a second day after the first day when it's still fresh helped a lot, and I bumped up like the first session, so that helped. So.
I'm telling you, consistency is key. You have to do it continuously if you want to see big improvement. And like honestly, like we've done 4 days. You've improved so much over those 4 days. We still got some things to work on, but man, you're like between your first day and this now, you're night and day difference. So it's pretty honest. It's pretty awesome to see. So
yeah, it feels good. I know some of the stuff I need to work on, which is good. Like I know I can get a lot faster. But I just need consistency and more time out. Yep. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. I think our next day might be coming up next Monday. We'll see. So, yeah, stay tuned. That's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.
See ya.